Entering markets, acquiring companies, and developing strategic partnerships all require a significant amount of market intelligence, often in a short period of time. Evaluating market data from new segments and target companies can pose a challenge for interested parties, especially if some of the stakeholders are highly motivated to influence a go or no-go decision. On an ongoing basis, bioinformatics conducts market research for life science supplier companies to help them make more objective decisions on new ventures by providing market data straight from the lab. In today's case study, Bioinformatics LLC was engaged by Tekas, the Finnish funding agency for technology and innovations, to evaluate the business plans and growth potential of 10 Finnish life science companies to help Tekas direct future operations in the life sciences toward growth companies. Through interviews with key opinion leaders, extensive background research on scientific markets, online peer reviews by qualified scientists, and on-site evaluations, Bioinformatics provided critical insights to Tekas. For each of the 10 Finnish companies, Bioinformatics was able to determine the efficacy of the management teams, the degree of solvency, the protected nature of intellectual property, and the potential for global expansion. In addition to a detailed report on each company, Bioinformatics LLC assigned individual scorecards to include weighted evaluations of customer satisfaction, competitive benchmarking, intellectual property, management team, market assessment, financial plan, cost management, and staffing. One of the key findings was that most of the companies favored a more technology-focused rather than business-focused model. These companies faced multiple challenges in managing their growth while mitigating risk. The typical route the majority of companies took, or contemplated taking, to expand into new markets was predominantly in Finland first, then Scandinavia, then all of Europe, and finally the United States. We observed that the need for special funding for expansion overseas is considered both a major hurdle and a rationale for companies to stay focused on Finland. Overall, companies tended to be more conservative when exploring new markets. Few of them had considered expansion into the U.S. as a foreseeable strategy. It also became clear that for many of the companies, Tekas funding had been instrumental in fostering product development and go-to-market strategies. However, for some companies, Tekas' generous funding practices may be sheltering them from the harsh realities of commercialization. Tekas was able to use the fundings in this report to make decisions on resource allocation among the funding agency's constituent companies. We have a lot of experience here at Bioinformatics helping to evaluate target companies, new products, and company and brand health. If you are responsible for making such evaluations in the life science industry, feel free to contact us for some ideas as to how to better inform a go, no-go decision.